Now we will learn letters A to Z. These are the letters and the objects drawn here. We will start with letter A. A for apple, A for ant. Letter B. B for ball, B for boy. Letter C. C for cat, C for cake. Letter D. D for drum, D for dog. Letter E. E for egg, E for elephant. Letter F. F for fish, F for fan. Letter G. G for grapes, G for goat. Letter H. H for house, H for hat. Letter I. I for ice cream, I for igloo. Letter J. J for jug, J for joker. Letter K. K for kite, K for kangaroo. Letter L. L for lotus, L for lion. Letter M. M for mango, M for monkey. Letter N. N for nose, N for nest. Letter O. O for orange, O for owl. Letter P. P for pen, P for peacock. Letter Q. Q for queen, Q for quilt. Letter R. R for rose, R for rabbit. Letter S. S for sun, S for ship. Letter T. T for tree, T for tiger. Letter U. U for umbrella, U for utensils. Letter V. V for violin, V for van. Letter W. W for watch, W for watermelon. Letter X. X for Xmas tree, X for X-ray. Letter Y. Y for yo-yo, Y for yacht. Letter Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Now we will read 1 to A to Z. Once again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And now we will learn the objects once again. A for apple, B for ball, C for cake, D for drum, E for egg, F for fish, G for grapes, H for house, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, L for lotus, M for mango, N for nose, O for orange, P for pen, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for tree, U for umbrella, V for violin, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for yo-yo, and Z for zebra.